Wire nuts or push fittings in the electrical industry. The choice is yours. You may decide to use one, you may decide to use the other, or you may decide to use both. So, the choice. Wire nuts have been around for many years. Wire nuts are very effective. Wire nuts are used to join one wire. Hypothetically, this wire and this wire, if we were joining these, usually it would be a hot and a hot and a neutral and a neutral, but however, or a ground and a ground. However, one could use the wire nut and join these. In the last several years, there are fittings like these, push fittings, Wago fittings, whatever the name brand may be. So, are they good? My opinion, they're wonderful. So, this ground wire here simply just pushed in here. If we wanted to make two ground wires, we could take a piece of ground copper, push it into this one, or this slot. Once the noise or you feel it kind of bottom out, you'll know you're connected. So this would all be connected. If you needed two hots, you could actually take the hot wire, put in here, strip it back, take another piece of hot wire and put in here, and you would have two hot wires. Say, for instance, if you were hypothetically wiring a ceiling fan and needed a separate hot to make the blue and the black a separate, the fan and the light a separate circuit. So again, these push fittings, my opinion, great. They save space, they save time. My opinion is